Back, and now a story coming in from Karnataka, where Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has taken a dig at the BJP as well as the Prime Minister, accusing both of insulting Swami Vivekananda and in turn the entire Hindu society. Now, Chief Minister tweeted a video of a BJP executive meeting that had taken place in Bengaluru yesterday. In this video, one can see BJP National General Secretary Radha Mohan Agarwal asking a BJP worker why a portrait of Swami Vivekananda was on display on the stage. The BJP worker responds saying that it was displayed as it was Swami Vivekananda's death anniversary. Here is what happened.
विवेकानंद की फोटो क्यों लगाया? 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 आज डेथ एनिवर्सरी स्मृति दिवस। विवेकानंद की फोटो क्यों लगाया? 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 आज डेथ एनिवर्सरी स्मृति दिवस। विवेकानंद की फोटो क्यों लगाया?
Now, in his post, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah took on the BJP and Prime Minister and said that this video shows BJP's impatience towards the religious reformer. He wrote that Swami Vivekananda taught brotherhood and coexistence, and that is why these views are not compatible with those of the Saffron Party. Siddaramaiah is now demanding BJP to tender an apology. Meanwhile, Radha Mohan Agarwal has also retaliated. In his post, Agarwal says that he had also asked Karnataka Chief Minister to resign on moral grounds after BJP-JDS alliance defeated them, but that did not happen.
विवेकानंद से कांग्रेस को क्या लेना देना? विवेकानंद राष्ट्रीयता की बात करते थे, विवेकानंद हिंदुइज्म की बात करते थे, विवेकानंद प्राचीन गौरव संस्कृति की बात करते थे। कांग्रेस तो विवेकानंद के नाम से चिढ़ती है। चुनाव के बाद हमारे प्रधानमंत्री विवेकानंद स्मारक पर चले गए, पूरी की पूरी कांग्रेस बौखला गई। ये तो अपने अंदर से विवेकानंद के विरोधी हैं। जनता ये कह रही है, सिद्धारमैया जी, शिवकुमार जी, आपको हमने डिफीट दिया। नाउ यू हैव लॉस्ट योर राइट टू कंटिन्यू, प्लीज रिजाइन।
And now Chief Minister of Karnataka has also spoken out on this matter. He says that BJP leaders just pretend to follow Hindutva. However, they do not respect those who are the actual proponents of the ideology.
Human beings, they are not respecting human beings. They are following only Hindutva. Human beings, they are not respecting human beings. They are following only Hindutva.
The BJP has always been respecting various leaders. They go by their self-agenda, not the national agenda. The BJP has always been respecting various leaders. They go by their self-agenda, not the national agenda.
My colleague Deepak joins us for more on this story that has generated a lot of political fires in Karnataka. Deepak, it looks to an outsider as an innocent query, because if the leader goes to a function and sees a portrait of Vivekananda, he seems to be just asking his colleague as to why is it there. Is Congress right in saying that he was irked at seeing Vivekananda's portrait?
When you look at the tweet of the Chief Minister, it definitely seems like he questions the intent behind asking why the portrait is there, and whether he suggests that the BJP leader had objections to the portrait. This has been, of course, vehemently denied. One of the BJP leaders that I spoke to tried to defend Radha Mohan Agarwal, who is, of course, the General Secretary and the in charge for Karnataka, saying that he was not aware that it was the death anniversary. of Vivekananda, and that's the reason the portrait was put up. It was clarified to him, and then he understood why it was there. I spoke to Radha Mohandas Agarwal himself, who hits back at the Congress and says that they shouldn't be the ones who should be preaching about Vivekananda to the BJP, whose principles and Vivekananda's principles align. But as far as Congress is concerned, he says, has always been opposing Vivekananda and his principles. And even when the Prime Minister meditated at the Vivekananda ashram, they had various negative things to say, is the charge that came in from him. We've heard from the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, all of them, of course, slamming the BJP and saying that this is double standards. When they feel like, Vivekananda could give them electoral benefits, they go after him, his name and his legacy. And now this is the kind of reactions that come in from the BJP, is a charge that's coming in from some of the Congress leaders here in the state.
All right. Thank you, Deepak, for joining us.